Hi guys, so what we have here today, this is basically one of the most famous Indian dish, Indian appetizer, tandoori chicken. This tandoori chicken is from Curry Point to Go, Bellevue. So this particular takeout, Indian takeout, is famous for its South Indian dishes, and I've already reviewed one of the biryani is from this particular place. Now today I'm going to review this particular tandoori chicken that I bought. uh, as far as the price goes, this is like $3 a piece. So here I have two pieces. So they gave me a lemon with some onion. So usually nowadays what I've seen is most of the Indian restaurants in US, they serve tandoori chicken which only has color, a slight taste of curd. I mean, because it might be marinated for some time, but that's it. I mean, it is totally bland, it doesn't have any flavor at all. But this particular tandoori chicken uh, is, I would say, is one of the better tandoori chickens that is available in Seattle, or let's say Bellevue or Redmond area. Some of the restaurants, uh, when they make tandoori chicken, right, so they don't use color at all. They nowadays have stopped using the color, but this one particularly from Curry Point to Go has color. But the best part of this particular tandoori chicken is I've tried it several times. So you can see, okay, there's a lot of marination on it. So what they do usually is they marinate it for several hours and then they cook in the tandoor. Okay, so this one has quite a bit of flavor. I won't say it is like really flavorful, but if I want to, I would say it's average plus on in terms of flavor, and the taste is good. It is not spicy at all. Usually the dishes from this restaurant are spicy, but this is not spicy at all. And if you let me peel a piece of it, so you see that. Okay, yeah, so inside it is quite juicy. And one major problem with these Indian restaurants is they are never consistent. Sometimes they, like, most 60% of the time you'll get good product, but 40% of the time, if you are if you're not lucky enough, you might get probably, let's say, tandoori chicken which is very dry, it's not juicy at all, and it may be cooked too much, or it will maybe slightly undercooked. But this one is really good. It is juicy, it has flavor, and yeah, of course it has color too. But this is definitely one of the good appetizers. And I think because it is one of the better tandoori chickens available in this area, uh, I think you should try it if you want to try an Indian tandoori chicken. And as far as rating goes for this particular dish from Curry Point to Go, I would say I would rate it around 3, because it is one of the better but not the best. I would prefer a tandoori chicken which doesn't have color. It's juicy, has lot and lots of flavor. But do try this, and let me know how whether you liked it or not. So have a great day, enjoy, try this dish out. Thanks, bye.